Do you know what a cat is? Let's find out together. Can a cat fly in the sky? No. Cats stay on the ground. Does a cat swim in the water? Not really. Cats don't like water very much. How many legs does a cat have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. What does a cat like to eat? Cats eat special cat food, and they love fish. Does a cat say moo like a cow? No, a cat says meow. Can you say meow? Meow, meow. Does a cat have a tail? Yes, cats have long fluffy tails. Now let me tell you all about cats. A cat is a furry little animal. Cats are soft and cuddly. Baby cats are called kittens, and they are so tiny and cute. Cats have 4 paws with soft little toe beans. They use their paws to walk and run and play. Cats have 2 pointy ears on top of their head. They can hear really, really well. Cats have whiskers on their face. Those long hairs help them feel things around them. Cats love to play with toys. They like to chase balls and strings. Cats also love to nap. They sleep a lot during the day. When cats are happy, they purr. That's a soft, rumbling sound. Cats are wonderful pets, and they love to cuddle with their family. Isn't the cat amazing?
Do you know what a baby cat is called? Let's find out together. Can a kitten fly in the sky? No, kittens cannot fly. Do kittens have 4 legs? Yes, kittens have 4 legs. Do kittens drink milk? Yes, baby kittens drink milk from their mommy. Can kittens swim in the water? Not really. Kittens don't like water very much. Do kittens have soft fur? Yes, kittens have very soft, fluffy fur. Do kittens say meow? Yes, kittens say meow meow. Now let's learn all about kittens. A baby cat is called a kitten. Kitten. Can you say kitten? Kittens are so tiny and cute. They have 4 little paws and a long tail and pointy ears. Kittens have big, beautiful eyes. When kittens are born, they are very, very small. They drink milk from their mommy cat. Kittens love to play. They play with toys and chase little balls. Kittens sleep a lot because they are babies. They curl up in a ball and take long naps. Kittens say meow meow when they want something. Baby kittens make tiny meows. So remember, a baby cat is called a kitten. Isn't that wonderful? Let's learn about how cats talk to us. Does a cat say meow? Can you say meow like a cat? Does a cat meow to talk to you? Does a cat bark like a dog? Does a cat say moo like a cow? Can a cat meow loudly when it's hungry? Can you meow softly like a little kitten? Great job! Cats say mew. Meow, meow, mew. Cats meow when they want to talk to us. A cat might meow when it's hungry. Meow, meow means feed me, please. A cat might meow when it wants to play. Meow, meow means play with me. A cat might meow when it wants cuddles. Meow, meow means pet me, please. Little kittens say meow in tiny voices. Big cats say meow in louder voices. Cats mostly meow to talk to people like you. They don't meow much to other cats. Isn't that special? You can meow back to your cat. Can you say meow? Wonderful meowing. Do cats purr when they're happy? Yes. Can you hear a cat purr? Listen closely. Do cats purr when they're sleeping? Sometimes. Can you purr like a cat? Try it with me. Do cats purr when they feel cozy? Yes, they do. Does a cat purr sound loud or soft? It's soft and gentle. Now let's learn all about happy cat purrs. When a kitty feels happy and cozy, they make a special sound. It's called purring. Purr, purr, purr. A cat purrs when you pet them gently. They purr when they're snuggled up in a warm blanket. Purr, purr, purr. Baby kittens purr when they drink milk from mommy cat. Cats purr when they sit in your lap. The purr sounds like a soft little motor. It means the kitty is very happy and comfortable. When you hear a cat purring, you know they feel safe and loved. Isn't that sweet? Listen to the happy purr sound. Does your cat hiss? Let's find out why. Ready? Here we go. Does a cat hiss when they're happy? No. Cats hiss when they're scared or upset. Does a cat hiss sound loud or quiet? It's loud. Hiss. Does a cat hiss show their teeth? Yes. They open their mouth wide. Should you pet a cat when they hiss? No. They need space. Does a cat hiss mean they want to play? No. It means leave me alone. Does a hissing cat feel safe? No. They feel scared. Good job answering. Now let's learn more. When a cat goes hiss, they are telling you something very important. They are saying, I'm scared, or I'm upset. Please go away. When cats hiss, they open their mouth really wide and show their little teeth. They might even arch their back and puff up their fur to look bigger. This is called a warning. If you see a cat hiss, it's best to give them space and leave them alone so they can feel safe again. Cats don't hiss to be mean. They hiss because they need help feeling better. Maybe they saw something scary, or maybe they don't want to be touched right now. That's okay. We can be patient and kind and wait until the cat feels happy again. Great job learning about cat hisses.
Great job learning about cats. Now let's review everything we learned. Are you ready? Let's go. First question. What sound does a cat make? Does a cat say meow? Yes. Cats say meow, meow, meow. Next question. What sound does a tiny kitten make? Does a kitten say mew, mew? Yes. Kittens make soft little mew sounds. Now, can a cat purr? Yes, cats purr when they're happy. Listen to that gentle purring sound. Here's another question. Does a cat hiss when it's scared? Yes. Cats go hiss when they want to be left alone. One more question. Can a cat make a chirping sound? Yes. Cats sometimes chirp when they see birds outside. Now let's practice all the cat sounds together. First, let's say meow. Your turn. Meow, meow, meow. Good job. Now the tiny kitten sound. Mew, mew, mew. Say it with me. Mew, mew, mew. Wonderful. Now let's try the happy purring sound. Purr. Can you purr like a happy cat? Purr. Excellent. Now the hissing sound. Sss. Not too scary. Just sss. Great. And finally the chirping sound. Chirp, chirp. Cats are so funny. Chirp, chirp. You did amazing. You know all the cat sounds now. Let's do them all one more time together. Meow, mew, mew, purr, shh, chirp, chirp. You're a cat sound expert. Give yourself a big clap. Awesome work, little explorer. Tap the screen to keep the fun going.